If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 1034, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes you can try right now. This error is often caused by a bad network route, browser data issues, or privacy tools interfering with the connection, so we're going to walk through the simple steps one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, if you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely. VPNs can sometimes trigger access errors on x.com, so make sure it's fully off before testing the site again. Next, open your browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From here, clear your cookies and cache. Make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then confirm the deletion. This helps remove any broken or outdated site data that may be causing the error. After that, go to the Windows search bar and type cmd to open command prompt. Once it opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This clears your DNS cache and can fix network lookup problems that may be blocking x.com from loading properly. Once that command finishes, close command prompt and refresh x.com or Twitter in your browser. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to resolve error 1034 and get the site working again. If it still doesn't load, try restarting your browser or your device and test the site one more time. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more fast troubleshooting guides like this.